Solar panel is the ultimate future, but is your solar panel business attracting ideal customers, or are you struggling to attract leads, increase your brand awareness, or convert your inquiries into sale? Then it's time to power up your marketing strategy. And at 360 Digital Idea, we specializes in high-performance digital marketing solution designed especially for your solar panel industry. We optimize your website so that when people search for solar panel installation, your business appears first. From engaging content to successful brand stories, we craft such a powerful brand presence that will attract followers and convert them into high-paying customers. We craft engaging blogs, ads and reels that will inform customers about solar savings and sustainability so that their buying decision can be made easy. People love reviews. That is why we will help you manage and improve your rating on Google, Trustpilot and more. So, are you ready to supercharge your solar panel business? Then let 360 Digital Idea handle the marketing while you can focus on installing a greener future. Contact us today or visit our website 360digitalidea.com to book a free consultation.